Hey there, welcome back to Critical English with Sayed. I'm going to start a series of lecture on parts of speech. So today I will discuss what is actually noun is. So before I begin, I would like to share the today topic content. And at this lesson you will learn noun, different kind of noun, genders in English. So before moving to the main topic about discussion, noun, first of all we need to define parts of speech. When words are divided into different classes according to their function in the sentence, they are called parts of speech. Like a llama bought a pen. A llama in this sentence is a particular name. Bought show an action in the past. A show a singular entity. And a pen show an object on which the work was done. Parts of speech are 8 in number. Now coming to all the main topic for discussion, noun. The word noun comes from Latin nomen meaning name. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, idea, in quality, or activity. For example, it could be a name of a person like Ali. It may be a name of a place like Islamabad. It may be a name of a thing like table. It may be a name of an idea like joy. It may be a name of a quality or activity like justice. So simply we can say noun is a word that names something. Thing mean anything that we can think of. Noun is an important part of speech in English. It could be used in a sentence as a subject, as a doggic object, as an android object, as a subject complement, as an object complement, and as an adjective. So it is difficult to say much without using a noun. Now moving to all kinds of nouns. So the first one is proper noun. Proper means specific or particular. Proper noun is a name of a proper person, place or thing. For example, Allama Iqbal in London. Allama Iqbal is a proper noun because it's a name of a particular person. Proper noun includes name of people, names of places, names of organization. Proper nouns always written with a capital first letter. Now coming to our common noun. Common noun is a name given to one thing out of class. So common mean a general. Common here mean shared by all. Common noun is a word which doesn't refer to any particular person, place, or thing. It's common everywhere and to everybody. For example, student in Pakistan and USA, UK are the same. So example of common noun are students, books, men, women. So student is a common noun because it's common to all. Proper nouns are sometimes used as a common noun is, for example, Salman is often called Noam Chomsky of Pakistan. Now coming to all the third kinds of noun, which is material noun. Material noun also called concrete noun. The name of a thing that can be experienced or observed through sense. So material noun can be pursued by the senses or something that is physical. Material noun we can see and touch it. So it means it is a real physical existence. For example, pen, gold, stone. Stone is material noun because we can perceive it through sense and we can touch it. Now moving toward the fourth kinds of noun, which is abstract noun. The name of a thing that cannot be experienced or observed through sense. It shows the name of quality, action, or state of the things which is not observable. So abstract noun are the opposite of material noun. They are things that you cannot touch. Abstract noun are ideas, concept, and feeling. Do you know how abstract nouns are formed? It can be formed from adjective is kindness from kind. Kindness is abstract noun and it's formed from kind, which is adjective. And it can be formed from verb like obedience from obey. Obedience is abstract noun. It's formed from obey, which is verb, and it can be formed from common noun. For example, childhood from child. Childhood is abstract noun and child is common noun. Now coming to the fifth kind of noun, which is collective noun. The name which stands for a group of things, people, places, birds, and animal. So a collective noun is the name of a number of person or thing taken together and spoken of is one whole. So a collective noun denotes a group of individual, for example, class. So class is a collection of students. So example of collective noun are nation, family, parliament, committee, and mob. Now coming to all countable and uncountable noun. So countable noun, you can count. Countable noun. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms. Uncountable noun, you cannot count uncountable noun, and we never use uncountable noun with the indefinite article. Now coming to all the chart. So example of countable noun are book, pen, man. An example of uncountable noun are water, coffee, and air. And we use indefinite article like a, n with countable noun. And countable noun have plural forms. Uncountable noun, we cannot use indefinite article with uncountable noun like a and n. And uncountable noun have no plural forms. We use how many with countable noun like how many book, and we use how much with uncountable nouns. And we use few with countable noun like we can say few pen. And we use a little with uncountable noun. And we use many with countable noun and a lot of with countable noun. And we use much and a lot of with uncountable noun. But we use some with both countable noun and uncountable noun. So coming to the last section of the today lecture, which is gender. Gender mean kind. It means the classification of noun on the basis of sex. In English, there are four genders. These are masculine gender. Masculine gender are the name of the male sex considered to be masculine gender. For example, poet, father, nephew. Coming to our second kind of gender, which is a feminine gender. Feminine gender mean all the name of female sex are considered to be feminine gender. For example, poetess, daughter, niece. Coming to all the third kind of gender, which is common gender. Those nouns which can be classed into both masculine and feminine gender are called common gender. For example, child, student, and teacher. Coming toward the fourth kind of gender, which is neuter gender. Neuter mean neither. It means those nouns which neither belong to masculine nor to feminine. These are sexless noun or noun without sex. For example, book, wood, and chair. So it was all about today's lecture. Thank you all for listening it, and I will continue the series of lecture on parts of speech.